Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research time for yourself and see if they're good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you. And this is a brand that I never had perfume from them before. This is another Middle Eastern brand from United Arab Emirates. I think they haven't been around for a very long time, maybe around 10 years or so. And this one is got a very strange name. Just be patient with me. It's called Retrouvailles. Retrouvailles. Apparently it means nostalgia or nostalgic in French. So the name is French, but the company is from United Arab Emirates. It's a bit confusing. So it says Retrouvailles Paris, and this is called, this one in particular, this perfume in particular, called Sunny Days, and that just piqued my intrigue. The second they say Sunny Days, wow, what is Sunny Days? Is Eau de Perfume 80ml. They have a few perfume in their lineup. I think altogether around maybe 20 to 30 perfumes. They all targeted unisex, and in United Kingdom they're not easy to find. At the moment there's only one place, and that is eBay, to buy them. But just be careful where you buy it from. Always do your research. I bought it from eBay, and they retail for £75. But if you go, if you do research and Google it, it will come up, and probably you can find it around £30 or so. So for that price, I was very intrigued to see how it is. So please, before I do the unboxing, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. This one in particular, nobody on earth talked about. I am the first, or maybe the only one. So they are amazing value for money. They smell great, and they are hidden gems, and this could be a hidden gem. Let's see. Thank you for your love and support. Let's go. Sorry about the noise when you do unboxing. You can't do anything about it. See this, come on, don't give me a hard time. Yeah, all right. So the box itself is quite a nice, beautiful turquoise color to it, with nice design. Overall it's quite simple. It does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. Overall nice box, I like it. And let's see the bottle. Wow, the bottle is very attractive. Look at that, beautiful bottle. So the bottle is very heavy. It's very thick and dense, and it's got, again, same coloring as the box, but the juice itself I think is a light amber color that's giving it a beautiful hue of amber. Is the name of the company here, Sunny Days, and the bottom's got the sticker, and the cap itself is plastic, but it's got a good weight to it. And the atomizer is modern and silver, and here we go. Good atomizer. All right, it's not pressurized, but it's beautiful. Very good atomizer. Woo, strong. Goodness me. Here we go. So Retrouvailles, and this is Sunny Days Eau de Perfume 80ml, and this is targeted unisex. Here we go. First impression. Wow. Yeah, they done it again. How do they do it, you know, for that price? These Middle Eastern houses, these Middle Eastern perfume houses are amazing. Every time I think, okay, they, you know, it's going to be let down or repeat or whatever, they just keep doing it. This one smells great. It smells quite lipsticky. Little bit makeup. very suntan lotiony smell to it. Okay, I can smell some coconut in here. So it's quite tropical, it's quite fruity, it's sweet. The sweetness from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest right now for the first impression, it's around 6 to 7. So it's quite sweet, but it's not overly sweet. But it goes well with everything else. I'm smelling some zestiness. Yeah, very, very zesty. So it's got amalgamation of citruses. So definitely bergamot, definitely lemon, maybe even a little bit of orange in here because it's very, very zesty. And the name is super appropriate. Sunny day. It just reminds me of the sunny day on the beach. You're sitting on a sandy beach, enjoying the weather, enjoying the sunshine, and also a little bit of breeze coming. But overall, it's not that watery. Yeah, it's not that watery. It's quite dense and thick. So I'm smelling some woods in the base. It's a combination of cedar and sandalwood. Very, very clean. In the base, woods they're very clean, but it's noticeably woody. There's about a hint of fruitiness to it. I'm not sure. Is that an apple in here? Yeah, a hint of apple. Maybe even a hint of what's his name? A little bit of peach in here as well. Just a stone fruity feel to it. So for the first impression, beautiful fragrance, absolutely gorgeous. So let me see what they say in terms of note breakdown. So this note breakdown is I'm not sure how 100% it is because it's very hard to find a note breakdown for this, but on Fragrantica actually they have the note breakdown, and there's just one person who reviewed it, but they didn't say that much. But the surprising thing about it is it's got very, very high rating. It's got 4.5 out of 5, which is amazing for a Fragrantica. And I can tell you that rating is correct. It smells great. Anyway, so we on top we have bergamot, LME, and green mandarin. In the mid we have chamomile, rose, and jasmine. And in the base we have sandalwood, musk, and cedar. Okay, so I'm smelling things they're mentioning in here, yes. The only thing is that lipsticky and suntan lotiony feel, where does that come from? Because there's nothing in here to suggest that. Yeah, little bit of lipstick, little bit of makeup-y feel, little bit of suntan lotiony feel to it, which is telltale sign of coconut, which they're not mentioning. I'm smelling something like a coconut, maybe a little bit of ylang ylang to give it that tropical feel as well. Again, they're not mentioning a note breakdown. It could be that note breakdown is not correct, so don't quote me for that. Anyway, so the zestiness is completely true. It is very, very zesty. So the bergamot and the mandarin, yes, these are all big. I'm smelling lemon as well. So there's a lemon, bergamot, and mandarin in here to give it that bright, happy, beautiful, inviting, captivating, and sunny, sunshiny feel of this fragrance. In the beginning is beautiful. Chamomile, very interesting because usually chamomile is used in makeup, and here I can smell the makeup, so maybe that chamomile is giving it that little of makeup. Usually chamomile are very used for calming. For example, in baby shampoos and baby soaps they use chamomile because it has a calming effect. So I'm smelling a little bit of that in here, yes, correct. Rose and jasmine, I'm smelling some fruit, floral aspect. Yeah, floral. It is quite. It's got a big body of floral, but the white florals are dominant. So the rose in here is a hint of the rose, yes, but the white florals, especially that jasmine, is very apparent. And now I'm smelling something like an orange blossom. So a hint of orange blossom in here. Yeah, let's go of orange blossom as well. Sandalwood and cedar, very clean base. Woody, yes, very, very woody, but it is very, very clean. And the muskiness in here is apparent from the get-go, but again, very clean musk. So overall, this fragrance, this perfume is quite clean. I would say this, I classify this perfume fresh to semi-fresh, and also I classify it as fruity floral. So it is quite fruity, it is quite floral as well. But the name in here and the coloring in here is very appropriate. So with the coloring, what you see, you're getting the feel of it. And also the name Sunny Days, yes, it's very bright, it's very happy, it's very playful fragrance, very beautifully inviting and happy and calming in the same time because of that chamomile. It's got a calming effect of it. But I can't get over that makeup-y feel of it. So is there iris in here? They're not mentioning. It could be, because I'm smelling something like iris, little bit of cotton bud smell to it, little bit of clean sheet smell to it as well, which is, again, it could be from the iris in here. I'm not 100% sure, but it smells like iris or something in that vein. It could be a violet. So it is a little bit on the powdery side as well, yes, definitely powdery, but it's not going to the realm of baby powder. So it is powdery, but it is on the moderate side of powderiness rather than full powderiness. So beautiful fragrance. It just mesmerizingly beautiful. It smells very expensive. It smells 100 plus to my nose. It smells like something that House of Chanel, Dior do. Okay? So the DNA of in here is very Dior-esque or Chanel-esque, if you like. Very fresh, very happy, very bright, inviting, in the very calming, very playful in the same time. And overall, this is I would say it is definitely unisex, although it leans a hint of femininity in here because of those florals plus the powderiness of it and also the makeup feel. But no, middle of the road. So I'll be super happy to wear this, no problem whatsoever. So I'm a middle-aged man, I can wear this, anybody can do, although I always say these things in my video. If you like a fragrance, wear it. If you don't like a fragrance, don't wear it. As simple as that. Forget about marketing, what they say. In this case, they are correct. Say they're marketing it as unisex, and to my nose, it's completely unisex. But forget about gender in fragrances. They don't. Smell, perfume, fragrances, aroma. They don't have gender. It's just marketing. From 1920s they started to do that. Before that, for hundreds and thousands of years, people use perfumes, just perfume. Anybody could wear it, man, woman, young, although it was a quite exclusive club for the rich and powerful, but nevertheless it didn't have gender to it. So overall, what I get from this beautiful fragrance is surprisingly, the quality of this perfume is beautiful. As I said, it smells very Chanel-like or Dior-like. I'm not saying it smells anything like particular perfume from these houses, like, okay, it's inspired by something. No, at the moment it's not doing that to me. But I don't have the encyclopedia of all perfumes in my head. So I know many fragrances, but I don't know every fragrance, okay? So what do I get? Big citrus. So it opened up super citrusy, super fruity, and the citruses are amalgamation of different citruses, giving it that beautiful, zesty, bright, happy, sunny feel to it. The base is woody, but the woods are very clean, which is a combination of cedar and sandalwood. Overall, this perfume is very rounded, it's very smooth, it's very well crafted, it's very well put together. There's no harshness, there's no chemical, there's no alcohol smell. It opened up beautifully. Very aromatic, and that aromaticness is mainly coming from that chamomile, which is very surprising. But I'm smelling something like violet or maybe iris in here to give it that hint of lipsticky, hint of makeup-y, and also a little bit of coconut to give it that suntan lotion feel to it overall. It's got a hint of suntan lotion to it overall. A little bit of herbal feel to it, which is quite green. It's not super green, but it has got a green aspect to it. Little bit of grassy green aspect to it, which is, again, maybe there is a vetiver in here. They're not mentioning the note breakdown. As I said, the note breakdown, I'm not 100% sure about it, but it's got a little bit of grassy, leafy feel to it as well. Quite floral, yes, the big floral body to it, and the florals are mainly white florals, which is jasmine and orange blossom, but there's a hint of rose in here, giving it a little bit of rosiness, but overall it's not a rosy fragrance. And also there's a hint of violet or iris in here, which they're not mentioning because it's giving it that powdery, that lipsticky, that makeup-y feel to it as well. So fresh spiciness, yes, quite fresh in terms of spiciness, and the fresh spiciness, maybe there is a hint of nutmeg in here. Yeah, a little bit of nuttiness to it. Maybe it's a nutmeg, or maybe there's ginger in here to give it that little bit of sparkly feel in the beginning. And a little bit powdery. Yet overall this is quite powdery. It is quite dusty, but it's not a baby powder. It is on the moderate side of powderiness. The white florals are dominant in here, as I said, jasmine and orange blossom definitely, and a hint of rose and a hint of iris and violet overall together. And it's quite musky, but the musk are in here very, very clean. And the rose is not a big player, but it is a little bit noticeable. So overall, a beautiful fragrance. I'm super happy to buy this perfume. Surprised me pleasantly, beautifully done, very rounded, very good, smooth, very well put together. The ingredients for a price is amazing. Retail £75, and even for that price it smells great. But if you can find it discounted, even better. I paid around £30 for it. I'm super happy with that. Smells similar to what House of Dior and House of Chanel do, which is mainly their fresh fragrances. Again, it doesn't remind me of anything. It's not a one-to-one to anything. It's not inspired by anything as far as I know, but the smell is not unique. It's done before, but it smells great. What else? In terms of age, I would say this is ageless, although it's got a little bit of complexity to it, which makes it a little bit on the mature side. I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side. But if you like this kind of fragrances, age doesn't mean anything. In terms of occasion, this is very, very playful, so it could be very versatile. You could dress it up, dress it down, daytime, nighttime, special occasion, casual, formal, informal. You're going to the gym, you're going to office, you're going to work, you're going to wedding, you're going to party, anything. It's very, very versatile. In terms of season, this is better suited for warmer weather, but because it's got depth and complexity to it, you can use it all year round. In winter, more sprays. In summer, less sprays. At the moment, I put only 3 sprays of it, and it's filling the room, so it looks like it's going to last as well. In terms of gender, bang in the middle, unisex. Anybody can wear it, ladies and men, no problem. But the only thing is, for some men, it could be a little bit too floral for them. For me, not at all. I love it. I'm going to wear it for the next 2 days and enjoy it to the max. So guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. If you tried anything else from this house, which is very difficult to pronounce, let us know your experience about other fragrances from them. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes and support me that way and get something very beautiful in return, you could do that. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to do that. Unfortunately, the post doesn't allow me to post it anywhere else, which is a shame. It's a heartache. It's a headache for me. I love to send it to people who ask me. Just yesterday, somebody asked me, Naz, could you send it to United States? Unfortunately, I had to say no. I had to turn them down. It breaks my heart. I love to send them everywhere, but unfortunately, it's out of my hand. It's one of those crazy, what you call it, health and safety gone mad thing. So, yeah, my own perfumes are 100% natural, amazing value for money. They smell great. They are ultra beast mode, and I put more than 60% perfume oil in them to making them huge, bold and big and very, very long lasting. As always, thank you very much for your watching. Thank you for your love and support, and I will see you later. Bye.